The valley of the latest belter. I'm opening up the hate on the queen.
Hi, I'm Alex and I'm the head of service at AVITI Genomics, RNA-seq technology provider based in Switzerland and the US.
Currently in the middle of doing a sequencing run on both sides.
We use AVITI sequencing to phase a long-read sequence data to determine the parent of origin of genetic variants. This is now a large-scale project.
We do a lot of sequencing. We do a lot of genotyping for our cattle herds at Simplot Landed Livestock, so we were sending out a lot of samples.
We chose AVITI 24 because it enables 50% higher read output while keeping the same cartridge and runtime.
The AVITI allows us to more effectively test different experimental conditions in method development. It also allows us to process samples of our established workflows at sequencing costs usually only accessible in large production scale sequencing systems.
AVITI has definitely helped us to kind of speed up the process, have more control over our process, and do so much more cost effectively than we could when we're outsourcing to someone else.
This has reduced frustrations and increased productivity.
Since the beginning, Element showed strong flexibility and openness, working closely with us to find the best solution to fit our technology and data quality needs.
Well, we were really impressed by the amount of data that was produced in each run compared to our previous platform that we were using.
My experience with the Element team has been really smooth, really great. I like the fact that I've gotten to know a number of people on Element. I'm seeing the same faces over and over again.
People have invariably been very available and helpful. We could always connect with the right people for the questions we had. So
the thing that I am most especially impressed by is how smoothly things go whenever we need service.
Working with the Element team is really great. From the sales and technical support to the field engineer and specialist, they are very responsive and open to help.
I think it's really cool to be working in a time when sequencing technologies are becoming a lot more available, and now sequencing is just a lot more accessible. It's no longer in the hands of one company.
Some of the sequencing platforms we explored had high rates of index hopping, which negatively affected our data analysis. We did not find this problem with the AVITI, however, because it uses the rolling circle amplification-based colony formation, and this has allowed us to increase our sample data output and quality at a fraction of our previous costs.
AVITI 24 makes a noticeable difference here as it gives us the flexibility to run up to 4 different projects per day and receive the raw data within 24 hours. The protocol is straightforward, requires minimal hands-on time in the lab, and the instrument guides the user step by step through the entire process.
We used to have to wait weeks or months to get results when we were sending out our samples to exterior sequencers. And now we can, if we need to rush order something, we can get it done in a week or two. So we are able to push priority projects in a way that we were never able to do before.